Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Sean Price, clinical coordinator here at Cairo Spa in Fort Walton Beach. And I want to take a moment out of seeing patients and shoot this video to invite you to come to our sugar handling workshop, which is going to be on Thursday, June 16th at 5:45 p.m. here in our office in Fort Walton Beach. What we're going to be talking about is a problem that is very, very common with patients, especially that we see here in our office. As you know, we see a lot of patients with chronic conditions such as Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, digestive disorders, diabetes, all kinds of different issues. And one of the common threads that we see with a lot of these patients, and the vast majority of these patients, is abnormal sugar handling, or just patients having difficulty maintaining a normal sugar range functionally. What happens is when you eat some food that converts into a carbohydrate and it goes into your system, if your body doesn't handle that right, then you either have too high of a blood sugar or you get too low, which is called hypoglycemia. And patients who are suffering from what we call dysglycemia, which is where you're not modulating your blood sugar properly, patients that suffer from conditions like this will have chronic inflammation. They'll have fatigue, they'll have loss of focus, commonly referred to as brain fog. They can have hormone disorders, be constantly hungry, or eat a meal and then an hour later they're starving again. All kinds of different things like this. They can lead to hormone imbalances. It can lead to underconversion of T4 and T3 in the thyroid gland. It can lead to, again, chronic inflammation, brain-based issues, irritability, personality changes, depression. All of these different things can happen when we don't process blood sugar properly. And it's a very, very common problem in our society because of the way that we eat and our standard American diet. So what a lot of people will do is they'll run and they'll start eating sugar-free foods because they think those are healthy. Well, in this workshop, you're going to learn how the artificial sweeteners such as sucralose and aspartame and sweet and low and all these different things that are in all these different diet foods and are actually creeping their way into a lot of regular foods are actually very toxic to your system. So there's a whole lot of information, a whole lot to learn. You're going to learn a whole lot about how your body is responding to sugar and what the effects are that it's having to you, not only in sugar metabolism, but in thyroid function, hormone function, adrenal function, all these different aspects. So we're going to go over all this. The workshop is absolutely free. Our workshops are limited to only 15 attendees because we do it here in our office, so we have limited space. So if you'd like to register, call the number that's on this video. It's a 24-hour recorded reservation line, and the first 15 callers we will save the seats for you. So when you call, leave us your name, your address, email address, and how many seats you'd like to reserve, along with a phone number so we can call to confirm. Again, that workshop is absolutely free. It's on June 16th at 5:45 p.m. I look forward to seeing you here. This is the first time we've done a blood sugar workshop, so this is going to be something with new information that many of you may have never heard before. So look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.